Hey everyone, I thought I'd do another quick video for y'all because I had some few questions about doing offsets for planner stickers in order to make your cut lines, so I thought I'd do a quick tutorial for y'all. So on my screen, as you can see, there's this cute little shark. If you click on it, you can see all the blue lines that make him. So when you do the offset, so you go to Object, Path, Offset Path. Now normally for stickers and die cuts, I do between 0.04 inches and 0.07 inches, and always make sure the joins is round. Your miter limit doesn't really matter, and I always turn on the preview box so I can see how far out the offset will go. And with this, it doesn't seem like it's far enough for me, so I'm going to try 0.06. That's better. And then when I hit OK, this is what it looks like, and you're kind of wondering what you should be doing right now, right? So if you go down to your Pathfinder where you unite minus front or intersect or whatever, you basically weld. So you weld it and you get your dark icon. Then you can go up to your swatches and change your colors. So you'll have, I set my outline, my stroke to blue, because that's what I do for regular cuts, and then the filler I don't put a color in, and as you can see, there's my cut line, and that's all you need to do. If you're having problems with the weld process after you do the offset, there's another way that you can do this. One thing that you do need to note here is that when you do the offset, it's going to group everything together. So you always need to right click and ungroup, so that way everything's separate from your cut lines. So when you do your layers, I always have a layer just for cut lines. So that way when you save it for print for your PDF, you just turn that off and your cut lines go away, and then you just turn it back on and it comes back on. Sorry, cute little tool tip to try. Okay, so you're having problems welding because you have all these different little itty bitty parts going on. Sometimes what I do if I have problems with that, I'll Control C and then Control Shift V to copy and paste in the same place, and then I'll weld the item already. Okay, so what you'll see here is you won't see the shark anymore behind it or your picture, but it is there. I promise that it is, because you already have a second item there because you copied it. And then you can do your object path, offset path, which is awesome. And then you just delete, change that to white, change the stroke to dark blue, and you're done. That's how you do offsets to do your cuts. I hope that helps everyone. If you have any further questions, please feel free to DM me, post your comments or questions below. I'd be more than happy to do more tutorials for you. So that's all I've got for you today. Thank you and have a great night.